Hello everybody! Today we will cook cookies. For the cookies recipe, we need the following ingredients: 85 grams of brown sugar, 85 grams of soft butter, 150 grams of flour, a pinch of salt, 1 egg, a packet of vanilla sugar, and 100 grams of chocolate chips. We need the following instruments: a kitchen whisk, a spatula, and a bowl. First, we will put the soft butter in the bowl. With the brown sugar, and the vanilla sugar. And then we will mix to have a frothy mixture. This is the result of the dough. In our mixture, we will incorporate an egg. And we mix again. This is the result of the dough. Then added a pinch of salt and the flour. At the beginning, mix with the spatula. Then for the bravest, you can mix with the hand. This is the result of the dough. What are cookies without chocolate chips? Then we mix the dough cookies with the chocolate chips with the spatula, or for the bravest, with the hands. Goodness, it's too hard. This is the result of the dough. So that the dough does not stick in our hand, we will flour the hand a little bit. Then with our hands, we will make a ball with the dough and we will flatten it like this. Make a ball and then we flatten it. And we will put it in a plate with baking paper. We do this with all the dough. And we'll put it all in the oven for 10 minutes at 180 degrees. When you cook, not forget to enjoy it.